What exactly is WordPress? WordPress is an online publishing platform that allows you to construct a stunning website or blog. For beginners, it could be the simplest and most flexible blogging and website content management system, CMS. This free 3-minute video gives a basic overview of WordPress and explains why it is the most widely used web publishing platform today. This video covers the following topics. What exactly is WordPress? Why it's more than just a blogging platform. Open source has a lot of power. The workings of WordPress. There are 5 compelling reasons to use WordPress. What exactly is WordPress? WordPress, to put it simply, is web publishing software that you can use to make your own website or blog. WordPress has been one of the most popular digital publishing platforms since its inception in 2003. It now powers more than 35% of the internet, including anything from personal blogs to some of the most popular websites on the internet. Without knowing how to code, WordPress allows you to create and administer your own full-featured website using only your web browser. You'll feel perfectly at home with the WordPress editor if you've ever used a text editor like Microsoft Word. So, what exactly is WordPress and how does it work? To get started with WordPress, choose from dozens of managed WordPress hosting companies that will pre-install the software for you. These providers also manage and monitor your WordPress site 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can concentrate on developing content and reaching out to your target audience. You can also download the WordPress software from wordpress.org and install it on your own web server if you wish. There are various reasons why WordPress is an excellent platform for creating a website. To begin with, WordPress is distributed under an open source license, which means you can download and use it in any way you want. For free. However, it also means that hundreds of volunteers from all around the world are working to enhance the WordPress software on a regular basis. Second, WordPress is simple to understand and use, which means you won't have to employ a web designer every time you want to make a little modification to your site. Instead of learning how to code, you may easily edit and create your own content. Third, WordPress is entirely adjustable. There are thousands of themes and plugins available that allow you to completely modify the look of your website, as well as add features such as an online store, a photo gallery, or a mailing list. Then, if you run into issues or want to add custom features, it's simple to get help or hire someone to do it for you. There are thousands of WordPress developers and designers who can assist you in addition to the WordPress tutorials on this site. The official WordPress forum is a wonderful place to ask questions and get answers. Thousands of local WordPress events take place every year all over the world, where you may meet and interact with other WordPress users. Finally, you have complete control over your content. Other publishing platforms impose restrictions on what you can and cannot do with your own website. You're also tied to that service. If it goes down, your data will be lost. You can quickly import data from other platforms like Blogger or Tumblr into WordPress, and you can easily export your data to move away from WordPress at any moment. You have complete control over your material. Is WordPress the best platform for you? No other software makes it this simple to create your own blog or website without having to learn how to code. You'll also discover that WordPress is very adaptable, with thousands of themes, plugins, and support options to ensure that your site grows with you in the future.